Welcome to my class, Physical Education. Today I will take your new chapter, Doping. I have finished in previous video 4th chapter, Yoga. I think you have completed ASM question answer. So today I start doping. What is doping? Concept and classification of doping. Its key points. These are topics in your lesson, in your chapter. Number 1, concept and classification of doping, prohibited substances and methods, responsibilities of athletes. Number 4, topic, side effect of prohibited substances. Number 5, topic will be ergogenic aids and doping in sports. Number 6, topic, doping control procedures, testing in competition and out of the competition. Next chapter, next topic. So firstly, I will discuss doping history. What is the history of doping? During the Olympic Games in 3rd century BC, the athletes were trying to increase their sports performance by the taking mushrooms and opium. ओपियम एंड मशरूम को लेकर के जो 3rd सेंचुरी थी बीसी में वो कोशिश करते थे अपने स्पोर्ट्स को, एथलीट परफॉर्मेंस को बढ़ाने के लिए मशरूम और प्याज को लेकर के, ये ओपियम एंड मशरूम। इन 1st century AD, the Greek runners used to drink a herbal beverage to increase their strength and be capable to run long distance races. 1st century में ग्रीक में रनर्स जो थे वो यूज टू ड्रिंक ए हर्बल ड्रिंक को यूज़ करते थे अपनी ताकत को बढ़ाने के लिए, स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाने के लिए। इन मॉडर्न इरा द यूज ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस इनहेंसिंग सब्सटेंसेस एंड टेक्निक्स बाय द टॉप स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हैज़ बीन ए persistent issue in the world of sports. Now, concept of doping. Use of prohibited substances are methods to unfairly improve their sporting performances and to gain an advantage over their competitors. According to IOC, the doping is the use of any method or substance that might harm the athlete in a quest to gain an unfair advantage over his or her fellow the competitors. According to BADA means Birds Anti-Doping Agency. Doping is defined as the occurrence of one or more of the anti-doping rule violation set forth in Articles 2.1 through Article 2.2 of the code. इसके अंदर अकॉर्डिंग टू बाडा एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू IOC के अंतर्गत डोपिंग करना ये जो है ये अनफेयर है। Anti-doping rules, presence of prohibited substances or methods. Number 2, use or attempt to use prohibited substance or method. Refusing to submit a sample collection after the being notified. Failure to file athletes' whereabouts after the being notified. Tampering with any part of the doping control process. 6, possession of prohibited substance or method. Number 7, trafficking a prohibited substances or method. Now, classification of doping. Doping का वर्गीकरण, परफॉर्मेंस इनहेंसिंग सब्सटेंसेस, फिजिकल मेथड। तो फिजिकल मेथड 2 ही है क्लासिफिकेशन। परफॉर्मेंसेस इनहेंसिंग सब्सटेंसेस, स्टिमुलेंट्स उत्तेजक पदार्थ, स्टिमुलेंट्स और ड्रग्स होते हैं दैट इनहेंसेस alertness and the physical activity by increasing heart rate and breathing rate and the functions of brain. They stimulates the body physically and mentally. Effects क्या होते हैं? माइंड इज मोर अलर्ट हो जाता है माइंड हमारा, और ये रिड्यूसेस फीलिंग ऑफ फटीग, थकावट कम आती है। मोर एग्रेसिव एंड यूजेड बाई इंजेक्शन बाई स्प्रे ऑरली एंड एग्जाम्पल्स इसके क्या है? कोकीन है, एफिड्रीन है एंड एड्राफेनिल है एंड एम्पेथेटामिनीज, ये आपके स्टिमुलेंट्स हैं। Now second, anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids, they stimulate the growth of muscles and help athlete to train harder and recover rapidly. By boosting the muscle power and strength, they enhance the performance. परफॉर्मेंस को इनहेंस करते हैं. मसल्स पावर ग्रोथ इफेक्टिव पड़ता है इनका. मसल्स साइज ग्रोथ एंड रैपिड रिकवरी एंड यूजेस बाई इंट्रामस्कुलर इंजेक्शन orally. Examples: Stabons, Metenolone, and Oxandrolone. These are steroids, anabolic steroids. Now, number third, peptide hormone. These are the substances produced by the glands in the body. They carry the oxygen and circulate in the blood. They increase the production of RBC and hence improve the growth of muscles. Additional intake of these hormones can enhance the performance and hence prohibited in and out of go. So effects इसके क्या बढ़ते हैं, यूजेज क्या है एंड एग्जाम्पल से क्या क्या है. इंक्रीजेज इन RBC, मसल्स ग्रोथ, हार्मोनल imbalance and uses by injection and orally. and examples इसमें है आर्थोपोइन, EPO बोलते हैं, EPO इंसुलिन और ह्यूमन ग्रोथ और hormones. These are peptide hormone. Fourth, performance enhancing substances are fourth is the beta 2 agonists. These drugs are generally used to treat asthma and it relax the muscles and that surround the air of the opening of the air passes. It allows more oxygen. ये ऑक्सीजन को अधिक अलाउ करते हैं टू रीच द ब्लड तक जाने में. इट इनहेंसेस द रेस्पिरेटरी फंक्शन, इंक्रीज देयर कैपेसिटी फॉर स्ट्रेनियस इफोर्ट एंड शॉर्टेन रिकवरी टाइम. effects: increases oxygen in blood, open air passages and rapid recovery. Inhaler and orally. Acobulal and beta-octal and cartival. These are beta 2 agonists. Now beta agonists, these are you are looking figure inside the video. Beta second agonists. Next, narcotics. It reduces or eliminate pain from injuries, allow the athletes to do the persistent efforts for a longer time. By using narcotics to ignore the injury, athletes increases further risk to damage their body. It also reduces anxiety, which enhances the performance. So effects and usage you can see here examples. Now six is diuretics. These are non-performance enhancing drugs, but these are used in sports to remove the fluids, water in particular, from the body. These are used to reduce the body weight rapidly, as in the weightlifting, boxing and wrestling, etc. These drugs are also used to evade anti-doping tests. These drugs are used by the athletes and out of the competition. Effects इसके क्या हैं and usage examples you can see from here video. Number 7 is corticosteroids. These drugs relieve fatigue and pain, giving more tolerance for pain and prepare the athletes to continue the efforts. 8, cannabinoids. These are psychoactive chemicals that cause a feeling of relaxation, and hashish and marijuana are the examples, and they are used the prohibited in competitions. Now physical methods, it's two parts. एक तो ब्लड डोपिंग के द्वारा एंड जीन डोपिंग. टू मेथड फिजिकल मेथड्स आर गिवन हियर for doping, blood doping and gene doping. Blood doping, according to WADA. WADA mean I have told you World Anti-Doping Agency. It is WADA. ये IOC ने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया था डोपिंग को रोकने के लिए. द मिसयूज ऑफ टेक्निक्स आर सब्सटेंसेज टू इंक्रीज वंस आरबीसी को इनक्रीज करने के लिए. काउंट इज ब्लड डोपिंग, इसको ब्लड डोपिंग में गिना जाता है. Athlete's blood is taken a few weeks prior to the competition and is frozen until 1 or 2 days. 2 दिन तक 3 दिन तक इसको जमाने के लिए रखते हैं ब्लड को. एंड आफ्टर दैट बिफोर द कंपटीशन, उसके पहले क्या करते हैं कंपटीशन के, देन इट इज द इंजेक्टेड इनटू द एथलीट. अब जब इसके एथलीट को इंजेक्ट किया जाता है, दिस प्रोसीजर इज नोन एज ऑटोलोजियस ब्लड डोपिंग. इसी को ब्लड डोपिंग कहते हैं. तो ये एंड व्हेन द फ्रेश ब्लड ऑफ द अनदर पर्सन इज टेकन एंड इंजेक्टेड स्ट्रेट इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ द एथलीट, द प्रोसीजर इज नोन एज होमोलोगस ब्लड doping. Another procedure of blood doping involves the injection of artificial oxygen carriers. Hemoglobin oxygen carriers are chemicals or purified the proteins which have the ability to carry oxygen. It enhances aerobic capacity. Blood doping increases the number of RBC. Hence, the oxygen carrying capacity to the muscles is increased, thereby enhancing the athlete's performance. Now, gene doping. It is the manipulation of cells or genes to the enhance the body sport performance. स्पोर्ट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए इनहेंस करते हैं, जीन डोपिंग करते हैं. मॉडिफाइंग द जीन्स एनेबल फास्टर रिएक्शन एंड इंक्रीज द फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. बहुत जल्दी तेजी से स्ट्रेंथ को फिजिकल के स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाते हैं. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ द जीन थेरेपी. Gene therapy may play a vital role in the growth and development of musculoskeletal structures. It will speed up the repair of the injuries of muscles, tendons and ligaments, etc. So, I taught in this video first topic, concept and classification of doping. And now prohibited substances and methods I will take in next video. So thank you and good night.